Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Did you know why Japanese people stay slim and healthy, even though they often eat rich foods? If you'd like to know the secret, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First, fry the onions in hot oil until golden brown. Add a little salt to help them soften and cook evenly. Next, fry the eggplant. Covering the pan with a lid will make it softer and more flavorful. Now add the bell pepper and cook it covered as well. Then add the tomatoes and fry until they become soft. Next, fry the sausage, but leave the pan uncovered so it keeps its texture. Finally, add 2 eggs and mix everything together. You can turn off the heat, as the eggs will continue cooking from the warmth of the pan. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.